Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of N8MA212. This is a 2008 Mazda MX-5. I call it a Miata, but not a Miata. This thing was underneath the ocean. Full disclosure, this thing was completely sunk. Miraculously, it still runs. Do a quick walk around here. Beautiful copper orange, what is it called, like mica pearl, Andy?
Copper red mica.
Copper red mica. Really good condition here. Complete front bumper for sale. Those headlights were going to have to dry out. All the body parts are in great shape. A nice set of wheels and tires on it. I don't know if the camera's picking this up, but she's making some weird noises in the background. That's what happens when your Miata electronics get a little wet here. That's where I left my keys. All right. Here goes nothing. Headphone users, now's your chance to turn the volume down.
That sounds like...
That box is not too happy. Sitting again.
Man.
This is the part of the video we're going to edit out as we miraculously somehow get this thing running here really quickly. What if we assemble the power of 2 jump boxes?
One is so dead it doesn't even move the gauge. So that's not going to do anything for us.
80 amps will start a Miata. I have a plan. Where's the half good box?
This guy.
Full disclosure, guys, I am a semi-professional, not professional. Don't try this at home, but if 1 jump box is good, 2's got to be great. Oh, dude, it got happier. I heard happy sounds. So we're going to attempt to use these that we found in another flood vehicle to jump start. Hey, which one of you guys kept these?
I did.
Can I get an explanation of your logic here?
That was for you.
So this is never gonna work, guys.
We don't know that for sure.
All right, we've now attached a Chevy Suburban for life support. Let's get this thing running. Maybe lock itself. Let's get this thing running. Come on, girl, you got this. You got this. You can do it. Well, we've officially tried 3 different ways to start a Miata now at a salvage yard full of global scholars, and it's still not running. So now we're gonna, I don't know, what's our next attempt? We should go hook it up to the solar. We already did a box and a charger.
Somebody left the boxes unplugged.
Scott, what do you have to say for yourself? I don't know. A man of many words. We've officially burned like 3 gallons of gas in the 8.1 idling for 14 seconds. OPEC is on the line. I'm gonna have to go to a gas station on the way home just so you guys can not watch this content. Please make sure you like. You know what? Don't go comment on this video. Don't share it. Don't like it.
Comment and subscribe to see more of John.
I have nothing for this. We'll be back with a jump box here in just a minute. Scott, would you like to drive the Suburban? The lap of luxury, more displacement than the 4 vehicles I parked next to today? I added up in my head mathematically, I had 5.1 more percentage, or 5.1 times the amount of displacement as all of your cars. I figured Andy's is a 1.6, his is a 1.6, and yours is a 2-liter. Let's take a look at this beautiful beast. She's a real beaut, Clark. Dude, you look so much like an elf right now. Don't move. Your ears are all like, oh man. What toys did you make last night?
Nothing for you.
Was Timmy good?
Nothing for you, naughty
What is Santa's real name?
Nothing for you.
What does he eat at night?
Shut up, naughty boy.
I am a naughty boy. How hard is it, Andy? You drive over there, you take the box, and you drive back. All right, folks, we're back. You never left because we've been recording this entire time. Take 6 of the 2000. It locked itself again. Take 9. It just keeps going up. Take 11 of the Mazda Miata test video. And just like that, fires up on the first try. All right, so it runs. It may not be pretty, but we got it going. Remember, folks, this thing was literally underwater. I cannot emphasize that enough. The car was here, the water was up here, doing all sorts of water things and hurricane rushing, and she lived. Slaps on roof. That's a real good car. All right, let's see what's in the exhaust. So obviously not a single electronic in this car is going to be listed for sale. There's really only one thing left to do though. Can a flooded Miata do a burnout? All right, come on baby. I don't think it's gonna do it, but we're gonna try. There's no way it has any traction control left. Come on, Miata, you got this!
Hurry up, oh, he's going! There you go! There you go! It's already going!
Folks, we are doing some sort of... Whoa! Woo! I am 2 foot on the brake.
Got a side spinner now?
That's not me, that's the car.
Oh, man, just... Not burning a tire right now?
No.
What are you doing? Something's not right.
Well, we've abandoned the burnout test because... Yeah. I smell something.
Not good.
What's that smell? Toxic hell. You were all in favor of it until things went wrong.
That's how it goes.
Yeah, this motor is probably going to get parted out, guys. We will give it a thorough inspection, but you saw it running. Well, with that being said, I don't think we need an update video of this girl. Should we just wrap this up?
Is anything working there?
No, nothing works. I tried it all. The windows are stuck where they're at. The heated seat didn't do anything. The radio doesn't turn on. With that being said, that is going to wrap up a very comprehensive test video of a 2008 Mazda Miata Submarine N8MA212. If you guys are looking for any of the parts you've seen in this video, head on over to our website. Link in the description down below. We're not going to sell you guys junk, so we're just having a little bit of fun here. I would venture to say 75% of this car is going to end up in the trash bin. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Remember, just because we buy junk doesn't mean we sell it to you. Thanks for watching. There once was a Mazda that went to sea. The name of it was the MX-5. This doesn't make sense. Please edit it out. Who lives in a barnacle under the sea? Mazda Miata, full of water. At one point was the... Miata, Miata, it's fun for a girl and a boy. Miata, Miata. I don't know how the song goes.